Hello guys, it's Liana. Christmas is almost here. Today I'm going to show you how I made our customized name ornaments for our Christmas tree using Cricut Design Space and Cricut Explore Air. Making this project is easy than you ever imagined. I only used the pre-made shapes in the design space: circle, star, square, and triangle. Open your Cricut Design Space and make a new project. I click on Shapes and choose Circle. Here I am going to make the outside frame of the ornament. Make sure the proportion lock is on before resizing the shape. I decided to make it 4.75 inches, but then you can resize it anytime you want. I made another circle, and this time it will be the frame inside which holds the design and name. I always make sure to align them horizontally and vertically, so it will always be at the middle. So I made another circle, and this time I unlock it because I want to make an oval shape that will serve as my hanger. So I'm making another circle which will be the size of the hole in the hanger. I am making sure that the small circle is at the middle of the hanger. I chose the small circle and the oval by simultaneously pressing Shift on my keyboard and clicking the left button of my mouse. Once I've chose them, I clicked on Slice. So I am going to delete the excess shapes, and voila! That is where we are going to put the string. We are going to do the same thing to our main circle, so that serves as the frame of our design. Horizontally aligning them before clicking the weld button, so it will unite our layers. I want to make a thick line that will hold the name, so I used the square shape and resized it. We have a new member in our family, and I want to make one for him as well. You can change the font, and this time I will be using Bernat MT Condensed. I downsize it to 3.42 by 3.79 inches. I'm resizing the name the way I want it to be. I decided to weld the line first, followed by the name with the ornament frame. And before anything else, I want to save it in case the application crashed. As you can see, I'm going to put Uncle I made it a little bit smaller than his name and then welded it. And now I'm using the star shape, putting stars everywhere, resizing and rotating them. To have a pine tree at the middle of my ornament. So to do that, I just use the triangle shape from small to big triangle. Horizontally and weld them together. So as you can see, all the layers became one. I'm going to change the color here so you can see that the whole ornament will change color. By doing this, you can also visualize the color of the cardstock that you are going to use. So let's start cutting by clicking the Make It button. I am going to use a 12 by 12 inches mat. Now connecting my Cricut Explore Air via Bluetooth to my laptop. I put the dial to custom so I can choose the material that I'm going to use. So for this project, I'm going to use a 110 pounds glittered cardstock. I changed my blade into deep point blade so it will surely go through the material. So I am done with the settings and I'm ready to load the mat with the glitter cardstock. Once it is loaded, the Cricut logo will prompt and it means that we need to press it so that it will start cutting out our design. There you go, our personalized family member's name ornament. So for those who love doing customization, you can also try doing this project. Have fun and enjoy crafting!